Ever found yourself in a tight spot, just a few days from payday, and an unexpected expense pops up? Maybe your car decided it needed a new part, or perhaps a sudden bill landed in your lap. In those moments, waiting for your next salary can feel like an eternity. That's where services like Beforepay come in, promising a quick solution to bridge that gap. But how much can you actually get on Beforepay, and what's the catch? Let's dive in and demystify the numbers. Beforepay is designed as a pay advance service, not a traditional loan. This means they give you early access to a portion of your earned income before your official payday. It's a lifesaver for those short-term cash flow problems, offering a way to avoid late fees or overdraft charges. The core idea is to provide a responsible alternative to high-interest payday loans. So, let's get to the crucial question: how much can you borrow? Beforepay allows eligible customers to access up to $2,000. That's the maximum amount you can potentially cash out. However, it's important to understand that this isn't a guaranteed amount for everyone. Your specific cash-out limit is determined by a range of factors that Beforepay assesses. These factors include your income, how often you get paid, your pay cycle, your spending habits, any existing debts you might have, and your repayment history with Beforepay itself. For new customers, the initial cash-out limit is typically between $50 and $1,000. As you consistently use the service and make timely repayments, your limit may gradually increase, reflecting your financial behavior and Beforepay's assessment of your ability to repay. Every time you request a cash out, your limit is reevaluated to align with your current financial circumstances. Now, let's talk about the cost. Unlike traditional loans that charge interest, Beforepay operates on a fixed fee model. They charge a 5% fixed fee on the amount you advance. This means if you borrow $100, the fee is just $5, making your total repayment $105. If you advance the maximum $2,000, your fee would be $100, bringing the total repayment to $2,100. There are no hidden fees, no interest, and no late fees, a significant difference from many other short-term lending options. This transparency is a big plus, as you know exactly what you're paying up front. To be eligible for Beforepay, you generally need to meet a few key criteria. You must have a regular pay schedule, weekly, fortnightly, or monthly, with your salary directly deposited into your bank account. Beforepay needs to detect at least 2 recent salary transactions from your employer. They also have an income threshold, typically requiring you to earn at least $300 after tax each week. Government benefits usually can't make up more than 50% of your income for eligibility. Beforepay also conducts its own risk assessment based on your income, debt, and spending behavior, but this is not a traditional credit check and won't impact your credit score. Repayment is designed to be straightforward. The amount you cashed out, plus the 5% fixed fee, is automatically deducted from your linked bank account on your next payday. You can also choose to split repayments across up to 4 installments or even repay early if you wish, adding a layer of flexibility. You can even delay a repayment once per cash out if needed. So, while Beforepay can be a valuable tool for managing those tricky financial gaps, it's crucial to use it responsibly. It's best suited for unexpected, short-term needs, not as a long-term solution for ongoing financial difficulties. Understand your limits, your repayment schedule, and the fixed fee, and you can leverage Beforepay to your advantage. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.